Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to log in or create a new account inside the Facebook app. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. Alright guys, head over to your Play or App Store and download Facebook. And once the Facebook app has been downloaded onto your device, go ahead and click onto it. You'll be brought to a screen similar to this. And then from here, you can add in your mobile or email and password and simply log in. But if you don't have an account, you can click on create new account, or alternatively, if you've forgotten your password, click on forgot password, and then from here type in your mobile number to find your account, or you can search by email instead. So put in either your phone number or email and then click on continue, and then you can retrieve your password that way. But if you need to create a new account on Facebook, go ahead and click on create new account and then click on get started. Click on first name and last name, add in your credentials there, and then click on to next like so, and then add in your birthday. Click next. What's your gender? Male. Next. Add in your phone number, or you can sign up with email. So I'm going to sign up with email. Create a strong password, and then click on next. And then click on save your login info. Click on I agree. Click on no, create new account. And just go through all these steps. And then once that is done, you've created your new Facebook account. Alright, so that's the end of this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.